Hi, I'm Eric Anthony Klima. I used to be a personal trainer struggling financially at LA Fitness, and then I took my skills online and learned how to do online personal training where I generated up to $50,000 per month. You see, the average personal trainer generates about $3,000 per month, at tops about $5K per month, and they're kind of capped out there. Plus, in addition to that, they're trading tons of their time for that money. I was working 8, 12, even up to 16 hours per day as a personal trainer, which leaves you at about roughly $10 to $12 per hour. The average online personal trainer works only 2 to 3 hours per day and generates anywhere between 5 and 10 grand per month in collected cash, which comes out to be $80 to $166 per hour. If you are a personal trainer, you're trading your time for money and you're capped out, you're limited by your time. You just can't make any additional income, especially when you're working for a corporate gym, you're driving to work, the gym is taking about 80% of your commissions, you're dealing with clients canceling and complaining, and you're locating all of your time towards a physical location. When you're working online, you're working in a digital space on your own terms and your own time. So you're making money while you sleep. As an online fitness coach, I would only work 2 to 3 hours per day, which allowed me to have the time for my family, the freedom to travel, and do what I wanted to do on my own terms while making a good income. Here's the crazy thing. As an online fitness coach, it's a high leverage opportunity. You can make millions of dollars because you're increasing your income earning capacity. When I was a personal trainer at LA Fitness, I was making like $3,000 per month, and that was the max that I could make. So the first 30 days, I actually took my skills online and I hired a mentor. I made $10,000, which was mind-blowing to me. I never made this type of money. And eventually down the road, I ended up scaling it all the way to $50,000 per month. This is how you make the most amount of money with the least amount of work. Are you ready to make the jump with your own online fitness business so you can have more time, money, and more freedom for yourself and your family? Click the link right here and it will take you to the free training on exactly how to do that right now. And we'll see you there.